ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर भारतीय वायुसेना प्रमुख एपी सिंह ने ताजा बयान के बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी ने एक बार फिर मोदी सरकार को घेरा। कांग्रेस ने पूछा, प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने 10 मई को ऑपरेशन सिंदूर क्यों रोक दिया। दरअसल एयर चीफ मार्शल ने शनिवार को कहा कि भारतीय वायुसेना ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान 5 पाकिस्तानी लड़ाकू विमान और एक बड़े विमान को मार गिराया। वायुसेना प्रमुख के इस बयान के बाद कांग्रेस ने मोदी सरकार से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर रोकने के लेकर मोदी सरकार से फिर सवाल उठा दिए।
That is Shahbaz, their Jacobabad airfield, one of them again, a major airfield that was attacked. And here there's an F-16 hangar, which you can see here. And here this is the photograph again from open source, from one of their earlier picture of the same hangar. And here that hangar, which is one half of the hangar is gone. And I'm sure there were some aircraft inside which have got damaged there. So if I can just sum it up, what we were able to get there at least 2 command and control centers in like Murid and Chaklala that I have shown you one of the pictures. At least 6 radars, some of them big, some of them small. 2 SAGW system that is in Nahor and Okara. Then of course runway at Sargoda and Rahimia Khan. 3 hangars that we attacked. Apart from these, the SAGW systems, mostly from, I'm talking about fighter aircraft are from S-400. We have at least 5 fighters confirmed killed and 1 large aircraft, which could be either an Elint aircraft or an AWNC aircraft, which was taken on at a distance of about 300 kilometers. This is the actually largest ever recorded surface-to-air kill that we can talk about. And